Hi, how can I help you? Microsoft wants you to buy Copilot. They don't want you to ask these questions. This is video 2 of 3 in EPC Group's Copilot security series. Number 1. Copilot doesn't respect intended permissions. It respects actual permissions. That SharePoint site you thought was locked down? Copilot just indexed it for thousands of employees. Number 2. There is no Copilot-specific access control. You can't say, don't show HR data. If users can access it, Copilot surfaces it. Number 3. Sensitivity labels only work if they're enforced. Most aren't. Your HR data, including salaries, was just shared company-wide. Your CRM data was exported and it's now on its way to your competitors. Number 4. Copilot summarizes Teams meetings, including conversations that were never meant to be searchable. Number 5. Microsoft's readiness checklist is incomplete. Ours is 47 points, because we audit what actually breaks. And we see these issues in every tenant we review. EPC Group has secured over 700 Microsoft 365 tenants. 5,200 plus Microsoft implementations. G2 leader, 4 consecutive quarters. Net Promoter Score 100. If Copilot is enabled in your environment, this risk already exists. Get your Microsoft Copilot and Microsoft 365 tenant security review before you deploy at scale. Contact EPC Group. Email us at contact@epcgroup.net. Call us at 888-381-9725. Or visit us at epcgroup.net/contact.